Hey guys, thanks for purchasing the hose grommet from Freeze Drying Supplies. Today I'm going to show you how to install it on your freeze dryer. You can install this grommet within a matter of minutes, and once it's installed you'll have proper drainage of your drain hose. It will provide the proper angle and it will fill that ugly metal void on the side of the freeze dryer. There are two different ways you can install this grommet. One makes it so you can remove the grommet whenever you want. The second is a more fixed installation. If you do the fixed installation, you will need some sort of adhesive or glue. The hose grommet is a two-piece system that interlocks together to make one solid piece. The easiest way to do this is to wedge this outside into the freeze dryer first, hold it with your finger, and then use the hose to put a little positive tension on this. Pull the hose out slightly to expose those tabs. Take your second tab and do the same, starting with the outside edge, and then wedge it into where those tabs lock together. You want to avoid snapping these tabs together because they will wear out over time. And then push in on the hose and you will have a locking system. You can also add a dab of glue on those tabs before you do this and let that dry. That will give you a more fixed version of this installation. You could also put a piece of tape across this seam. I have found that just the tension of the hose holds this together just fine. If you choose not to use any adhesive or glue, there are variations in the freeze dryers obviously throughout the years, and the fit and finish of this without adhesive will vary in some cases. There you go, an easy install in just a few minutes. Now you have filled this ugly void that are on all Harvestright freeze dryers, and your hose will properly drain. Thanks for purchasing the hose grommet from Freeze Drying Supplies, and happy freeze drying.